So guys, check out this beast. After a long time I am riding my brother's Benelli 600i with ABS as a standard. Whoa! Wow man, this is a seriously a great inline 4 beast ever. And just look at this man, look at it. And right there it's the Benelli 300. It's my another brother's 300. Even this bike is great. We have a customized IXIL 55 exhaust, and that video is on my channel right there. Please go and check it out. I will be putting on the iCard above the video. Just look at the looks. This bike produces 85 bhp of power with 74 Nm of torque. Wow man, and the exhaust sounds like just crazy. If you want me to do a proper review on this bike, then please comment down below. I will be doing a total review of this bike. So right now this video is about a true inline 4 beast. So let me hear the exhaust note. So are you guys ready? Let us hear the exhaust note, guys. So this is the ignition note of this bike. Just look at it man, it doesn't have the TB killer right now. I literally need to shout like anything. Let's look at the ignition sound. Bartare sir. Aitu. So actually there is a watchman over there and he got irritated just by the ignition sound. One more thing, today in my video we are having a drone shot, that is the DJI Mavic Pro. So you will be enjoying the drone shots as well. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, guys. Wow, seriously I am so excited today, and right now the time is around 5:55 and as you can see the sun is setting, so the drone shots will be just amazing. of the bike. Hello, owner.